In this video, you will see traffic accidents and material damages caused by human errors in traffic. Enjoy watching and please drive carefully, don't rush. And always prioritize your safety.
Are you? I have it all recorded on my camera.
Revs.
Okay. Oh, is he turning?
What
He's
is
braking.
that?
I don't know. I bet he's gonna turn in here.
Oh my gosh, this is
No.
crazy. No, 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 no. Oh my gosh.
Oh,
What did he do?
oh my gosh.
Oh shit, dear.
Good shit.
Whoa,
Watching
shit.
that. Good shit.
Wow.
Would have nuked their ass.
Dude,
Holy
you deserve
fuck,
a gold
yeah.
fucking medal for that one.
Wow.
Oh my god.
That was
Oh! What the heck?
unbelievable. Well, they don't have to be right all the time. They just have to be right 54%, 54% of the time.
didn't resist, clearly preferring resistance captivity to the undying. You're all currently in custody for your violation.
This video shows a dangerous incident I experienced while driving in traffic. While I was moving normally in my lane, a road thug suddenly cut in front of me from the right lane and took away my right-of-way. That was not enough, ignoring traffic rules completely. He misused the emergency lane and then ran a red light to get away. By doing so, he seriously endangered not only his own life, but also the lives of innocent people around him. We must remember that even a single reckless decision in traffic can lead to irreversible consequences. Please follow traffic rules and avoid road rage in traffic.